Hey there guys, today we're going to be painting the Lizardman Warrior from Reaper Miniatures to the core level standard. The first thing you want to do is grab yourself a scalpel or other sharp blade and just trim the casting line off of the model. Make sure you're very careful and you always cut away from yourself. I've given the whole model a base coat of bronze skin using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you don't have one. First you want to take some military green and base coat the turtle shield and the scales on his waist. You may need 2 thin coats at this point, but this is normal. Next, take basic dirt and use this to paint his loincloth, his belt, the sword at his waist, his club and the quiver on his back. Coat all of the studs on his club and his wrist jewellery with tarnished brass. Now we'll move on to the washes. Heavily dilute military green with water or flow improver and wash this all over his skin and scales, making sure you miss the skull at his waist and the bone pommel on his sword. If you get some on these parts, you can always paint back over it again with bronze skin when it's dry. Finally, water down basic dirt and wash this over his shield to bring out the detail. And now the washes are dry, the model is done. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos and we will see you later.